Hi guys, today I will show you a full guide on how to exchange Revolut points to cash on Revolut in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started with the video. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Start by making sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then tap on the hub or head to your profile or settings. Step 2. Navigate to RevPoints. Go to the Rewards or RevPoints section under your profile. Here you'll see how many points you've earned so far. Step 3. Tap Spend Points or Redeem. Select the Spend Points option. If available, choose gift cards to continue. Step 4. Browse available retailers. You'll see a list of popular brands such as Amazon, Tesco, ASOS, Uber Eats, Marks & Spencer and more depending on your region. Step 5. Choose a gift card. Pick a retailer you regularly use or one that's easy to resell. You'll also see how many points are needed for each card. For example, 2,500 RevPoints might equal a £25 gift card. Step 6. Confirm redemption. Review all the details carefully. Then tap Redeem. Your gift card code will appear in the app, or may be emailed to you.